You've downloaded Metatrader 5 and you've set up your charts, and now you are looking for the deposit button, but it is actually nowhere to be found. So this is because you cannot actually deposit money directly into your Metatrader 5 app. But in this video, I'm going to show you 3 steps and process you need to actually follow in order to get funds from your bank account into your Metatrader 5 trading terminal, so that you can actually start trading and placing trade today. So this video was actually requested by one of my subscribers here on YouTube. So that is why I'm making this video. So after watching this video, you can actually request for your own, and I'm going to make a video for you if you do not understand this video properly. So don't miss any step on this video so you can actually understand the whole process. So this is my Metatrader 5 app. If you go through the app, you're not going to see any option of adding funds to your Metatrader 5 account. So this is what you need to do. You actually need a broker. You can actually use SNES. You can actually use IC Market. You can use, there are actually a lot of brokers depending on the one that is actually working in your region. So in this video, I'm going to use the SNES broker. So in order for you to actually use the SNES broker, you need to download the app on your device and go to the SNES broker app. After creating an account, I've actually made a video on how to create SNES account. So after creating an account, you just need to go ahead and open the app like this. This is what your home page is actually going to appear as once you open the account. Creating an account on SNES is not that difficult. You just need to use your Google account and create an account. Just sign in with your Google account, then add your personal details in order for you to verify your identity, like inputting your BVN and your residential address or your national ID card in order for you to be able to verify your profile on SNES. So once you are done with that, you are not going to see the home page like this. Now mind you, if you have not verified your profile, you won't be able to deposit money into your SNES broker. So you need to verify your profile so that you can be able to deposit and do this. So looking right here on the screen, you can see the option of deposits. So the first step you need to take is to click on deposit like this. Once you do that, you're going to see crypto wallet and you're going to see all payment method. You can actually use crypto wallet to fund the SNES account, or you can simply go ahead and click on all payment method like this. Once you do that like this, you're going to see many other payment method that you can actually use. So looking here, you can see a lot of payment method. You can see bank card, you can see online bank transfer. So the one I want to show you guys how to use here is online bank transfer, which is the process of you transferring money from your bank to your SNES app. So looking right here, you can see the option online bank transfer. Looking here is my Metatrader 5 account. You can see that right here. Now the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and input the amount that you want to deposit. So if you input the amount like this, let's say you want to deposit 20,000 naira, which is actually going to give us $14 here. So you need to go ahead and click on continue like this. So right here, you need to go ahead and click on bank name and input your bank name. So right here, you can see where it says account number. You need to go ahead and input your account number right here so that they won't actually misinterpret your transfer for anything, so that you're going to successfully get your money into your Ascens account. Once you're done inputting your account number, you can go ahead and click on continue like this. So looking right here, you can see the amount that you've inputted. You can see that this is actually going to be transferred into your SNES account, and also this is the amount that you are going to receive, which is 14.11 USD, depending on the amount that you inputted on yours. Then come right here and click on confirm like this. So right here, you can see the amount that you need to transfer. You can see the bank name, which is Sterling Bank, and also you can see the account number right here and the bank name. If you want to do this, they are going to show you the bank name and the account number that you need to transfer to. So you need to come right here and click on account number, copy the account number, then go to, let's say, your bank app like this. So you just need to go ahead and open your bank app like this. The next step you need to take here is to click on other bank transfer. So the bank name is Sterling. Let's simply go ahead and copy the bank name and paste it right here so that we are not going to do any mistake. You're going to see the bank here, which is Sterling. Now the account number, let's simply copy the account number. Going back here, I'm not sure if my recording is actually going to be showing. The screen might actually turn blank. So you need to go ahead and input the account number right here and then input the amount that you want to send. So the amount that you want to send here is 20,000. So you don't need to add any narration. Let's check if there is any narration here. There is no narration here, so we just need to go back right here. Now looking here, you can see where it says proceed. So you just need to go ahead and click on proceed and make the transfer into that bank account. Once the transfer is successful, going back to your SNS account, you need to go ahead and refresh your SNS app. So once you refresh your SNS page, you're going to be able to see the balance now showing on your SNS. Now you now have the money on your SNS account. This is what you need to do next. Right here is the home page. So the first step you need to take now is to go ahead and click on this three dot icon right here. You can see the three dot icon here which says details. So you need to go ahead and click on details like that. Looking here, you can see the option of settings. Clicking on that, you need to scroll like this and you're going to see login and you're going to see server as well. So you need to go ahead and click on login and copy your login, then go to your Metatrader 5 now. So this is where the video actually starts. Looking here is my Metatrader 5 account. So in order for you to now link the SNS to your Metatrader 5, you need to go ahead and click on the three line icon at the top left corner like this and click on manage accounts. Once you do that, at the top right corner you can see the plus button. Clicking on that like this, you're going to be able to see find broker. So if you click on find broker like this, you need to go ahead and search for SNS. So if you search for SNS, you can see this first one right here which says SNS MU Limited. Clicking on that like that. So looking here, you can see the option of log in to an existing account. Now remember, you already have an existing account which was actually funded recently. So looking here, you can see login. Clicking on that, you need to go ahead and paste the login right here. Now for the password, you need to know your password. So if you don't know your password, you can actually go to your SNS like this and click on change trading password like this, and you're going to be able to change your trading password. But in my own case, I already know my password, so I'm going to go right here and input my password. Back to your SNS app, you need to check your server. Looking right here, you can see that my own server right here is SNS MT Real 30. So you can go ahead and copy it and go back to your Metatrader 5. Go ahead and click on server like this. So you're allowed to only select it. There is no option of searching for it. So looking here, you can see SNS MU MT Real 3. So you need to go ahead and click on that option right here. Once you do that, the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on login. Now looking here is your account. That is your SNS account which you actually funded. It is now linked to your Metatrader 5. Now with this account linked to your Metatrader 5, you can now go ahead and start placing your trade on Metatrader 5. So you can now start placing your trade and the money is going to be deducted from your SNS account. So this is how simple it is for you to fund your Metatrader 5 account. So for the person that actually asked this on the comment section, hope I've actually answered your question. So this is how simple it is to do this. If you have any other video suggestions or video you want me to make for you, you can just tell me on the comment section and I'm going to do that for you. Now don't forget to like this video, subscribe and hit notification bell. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next one.